So I'll be showing you how to turn on or how to enable automatic screen brightness on your Samsung Smart TV. So the first thing you want to do is from the home screen, just go to the main menu. For this one, it's going to be on my left side. For older Samsung TVs, it might be at the bottom there. And on this menu, you want to scroll to settings, select that, and then go to all settings. On the all settings window, you want to scroll down to general and privacy. And then you want to go to power and energy saving, select that. And then you should see something called brightness optimization. Now you can clearly see there in the notes, it says automatically adjust the picture brightness based on the ambient light level. So your TV will adjust the screen brightness based on the environment. Okay, so you want to enable that. And once you enable that, your TV will now be switching or changing its brightness uh, depending on the ambient lighting level. You can also, once you enable that, set a minimum brightness that your TV will never go below because it might become unwatchable. So you can adjust the minimum brightness for automatic screen brightness on your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.